Yo, my name is Cameron Pack, and I wanted to show you some really cool updates to iOS 17 that can make your phone into a simple phone. Some people who use different phones like the light phone, they'll use a iOS flip phone, they'll do whatever they can to get away from the noise of a bunch of just digital everything, social media, who knows. So to go from complex to simple, there's just a huge movement of people doing that. I want to show you one way where you can do it that you might not know about until now. So let's look at one of the latest updates of iOS. So if I go to my settings and you go, I'm on iOS 17, I'm on the beta. So when iOS 17 comes out, you'll be able to have this available. Or if you're a developer, you'll be able to get this today. So you scroll down into accessibility until you get to a place called Assistive Access. This is an interesting feature, and I wish I had the onboarding to show you kind of what it looked like. But what you do from this point is you select applications that you would like to see on this home page. And so I've selected quite a few. There's other apps, and so you could just say maybe I want the calendar. And so I can say which calendars I want, full access, allow, continue, and now calendars is on here. Let's go back and let's scroll down. There's different things that you can do. You can go on a row-based or grid-based. Grid is good if you like to see the icons and tend to tap it based on the icon. Rows makes the text a little bigger and the icon smaller. I'm going to be doing that one. You can choose your lock screen background. You can even choose a wallpaper. So I wonder if I could choose me in a tree. Okay, let's go back and let's start this. So I have a code, and this is such a cool thing, such a cool process. Interesting that you can't see that. So right now it's switched to a simple mode. Let me go and try to plug it in and see if it allows it to mirror. We shall see. It worked. Isn't that so cool? Okay, so you're on this very simple interface. This is the rows. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you some of the stock apps first. The stock apps allow you, they're optimized for this simple mode. And these other apps are not, but you can still use them. So let's go start with Maps. Maps actually isn't one that's optimized. Let's go start with calls. So you get to see, so I can go call Nicholas. Oh. Okay. So it's really simple, just very easy interface. I can go type in a number, click call. Let's see if I can hold it. Really not much more to that. And the cool thing is, that's all I need. Then there's other things, like the camera app. Let's see if it allows me to do this. So I say I want a photo. That's cool. Okay, now there's cool things that you can do as well. Let's triple tap and let's click settings in the top right. So you can turn it on dark mode. You can change the brightness, the text size, which I'll turn the text size back down. Nope, I like it big. Okay, now we see this in dark mode format. Let's look at photos. This is another stock app. Very simple. You can see me and my dog. And I wonder if calendar has a built-in integration. Nope. So what happens if you have an app that isn't optimized for this simplified version? It turns into a smaller interface on the phone with a big back button. They go back to a smartphone because they say, oh, I need this app, I need this thing, I need this other thing. I'll call him back later. He's fine. And so one cool thing about this is I can have the apps that I need and leave behind the apps that I don't need. So that's it. I just wanted to share that iOS 17 can allow your phone to become a simple phone. So before you go out and go buy a dumb phone and switch everything and then hate it or love it, give this a try. If you have an iPhone, when iOS 17 comes out, go and download it and try Assistive, I think it's called Assistive Access. Go try Assistive Access today or tomorrow.